as we stare up into empty space, while we're down here wondering why, without the big guy in the sky. The best thing we can do is try. While God's in outer space, making aliens his chosen race, we better do the best we can. Make some plans that might improve the place, setting down some global laws, waging arguments, not wars, and make the needs of everyone our cause. There's no God on holiday. I've just been musing in mysterious ways. Maybe there's someone up there, though the evidence is far from clear. But we're at least 7 billion souls from being left alone. So let's find